pieces for $2.98. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures and happy Tablescape Tuesdays. The ladies of elegance are here to motivate and inspire you with some beautiful Christmas tablescapes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy while the ladies of elegance present to you Tablescape Tuesday Holiday Edition. And I'll meet you at the end. Silver tablecloth. Next, I'm gonna come in with these silver woven placemats, and on top of those, glittery silver charges. And I'm using these clear blue set that was a thrift find. Okay. Now these beautiful blue and silver florals I picked up at Goodwill. You see that? These beautiful reindeer are from Home Goods, and the price on them was $19.99. I thought they were a little steep for a short reindeer, but yeah, you see it now. That floral arrangement that I put together. Okay, let me get the other things and I'll be right back with you. One she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, what you think is best. My heart was broken and I was absolutely devastated when I arrived home and one of those gorgeous Tommy Bahama silver martini glasses was cracked in the bag. When I went back to Home Goods, they didn't have any more. So I'm gonna have to keep my eyes open for those beautiful martini glasses. They were $12.99 each. As for the other items on my table, I was unhappy with the denim runner, so I came back in with a beautiful thrifted silver tablecloth and Mommy's toy soldier runner. Most of the items on this table today are thrifted, so that makes this tablescape so budget friendly. I have a couple of Dollar Tree items and the rest of the things on my table today are from Home Goods. So I hope you like this beautiful tablescape and that it gives you inspiration to try some different color combinations for your holiday decorating. If you like today's video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time.